Hello and welcome to the second part of Voronoi pattern. In this part, we are going to complete what we did in the first part, that we have the pattern and the model. We will do like enhancement, get the best result for this reference for image, and do like if you can see, you will realize in this reference photo the smooth edges and randomized opening. So this is what we are going to do in this part. So we can have a finalized shape, enhanced and adjust like as we desire. So let's get started. So here, this result, what we got from the previous part, as you can see, the opening that large, it's not enough as per our like what we need to get to achieve. Uh, as this similar photo or reference photo that we need get to get closer. As you can see here, multiple and many multiple opening and many cells of the Voronoi to achieve the result that um, looks better with more points or more cells and use it in our project. So on the left, the result what we got from this first part, and this reference photo in this part, which we will try to get something similar. So what we need uh, it's to get started with our script and try to customize just the point. So here, this is first I prefer that we need to turn off this script or this plugin, this component. I mean, sorry. So this component, it like it help us to when you turn it off to have smooth workflow with the script. So what we need to do first is to increase the number of the points. Here we have 50. Well, 50 point is not enough uh, as we want to follow the reference photo. So let's put it like 100, let's say. Okay, give it some time. Yeah. So I think we need to increase it more. And if you want to edit the maximize, double click, and you can change the max, the box max to 1000. Yes. So after increasing to 1000, let's increase the point to 300, and let's see if we will happy with that result or not. Wait for a few minutes. Okay, if you are happy with this result, I believe that we can go forward. As you can see, we are getting closer to the reference photo. Okay, so here you can see the solid part is in randomized way to give the feeling of the realistic and the parametric way to avoid the repetitive items. As you can see here, the like a spots for the solid parts, and to get, I mean, to achieve this result, we already did a circles, small circles. Small circles, it's like the attractor points to have the. It means that we are managing the Voronoi cells to ignore the circles around the circles, to ignore the cells around the circles. Of course, it will take like a little bit for 1 minute or 2 minutes to apply the solid parts. It's ignored cells for this point. Okay, so I think let's move forward to the third section. So we customize the numbers, we customize the spots, the solid spots. So the thickness is the third. What we are going to adjust next is the thickness. As you can see here, it's not that thick and looks elegant and neat. So Let's try to reduce the thickness to get the similar from the to adjust the thickness. Remember this component, and you can find it in the plugin called pufferfish, and the component name is offset surface. From the distance input, I will reduce it for 0.1, let's say. Yeah, 0.1. Okay, so I think it looks the most important that you have to know that the more you are increasing the cells point, the the more you will decrease the thickness just to match the look. Okay, so the last part is the shrink wrap. Shrink wrap is featured only in Rhino 8. We will not change the sliders here to avoid any lagging or delayed with the process. So let's turn it on, and let's see, this component will help us to avoid the sharp edges and smooth it, like fillet the sharp edges. Wait a moment. Okay, I think looks nice. So as you can see, is the edges are smooth. Mhm. I think I'm happy with this result. As I said, you can adjust the sliders as you want. Mhm. Let's try to decrease it more, like 0.05, the half. Mm, as what we did to increase it to 1000 before. Here we can do the opposite with the minimum parameters and change it to 0.05 in the minimum box. Yeah, yeah, great. So, and press OK. Mhm. Yeah, it takes a moment. Yeah, so I think we can go forward with this result. So if you want, you can go again and change the points and increase it as you want. So for me, I will try it to increase it to 500. So as you see, I think it looks better now. As you can see, the solids or the Voronoi cells, it's getting smaller and randomized, staggered. This and later we will try to generate some render photos and use it as a wall panel or a ceiling panel in different textures. Okay, that was for today. Next video we'll try to generate photo rendering using AI and GPT, so we can try to imagine and visualize the pattern or the panel that we did. If you like this video, please subscribe and like and share it with your colleague. And if you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. See you next one.